Every time you step into a boat and you push off the dock, you're stepping into the circle of life. You're becoming a part of the ecosystem. Sometimes that means you're having a perfect bluebird day. Sometimes you're getting poured on in an unbelievable downpouring rain and howling northeast winds, and all of it is to be enjoyed.
To me, fly fishing can never really be mastered, so it's something you're always working towards. When you make a split-second reaction and cast and hook up on that fish, it's very rewarding.
Sometimes you fall into the water and you become one with the water.
I saved the mic